Already got the Colamy 5103 executive chair for big guys. So I just want to show you how it arrives in this big, large box. You can see it in comparison to my outdoor chair right here. And when you open it up, you're going to get some parts inside of there. Generally, these things are pretty easy to assemble. You got the wheels, piston, this thing just sits on there. All you really have to do is put the sides on and everything. We'll see, I'll go through it with you. But it's kind of cool to give you a little parts kit right here with the T-handle wrench, which I like, because I was going to use my own T-handle wrench. And you can see, there's the chair portion of it. There's the wheel portion down there that we're going to attach the wheels to. All right, see how fast I can install this thing. So in the instructions, there are numbers that are referred to, like 8 and 9. See 9 right there, and 8. And the manual actually references these numbers. So it'll say use 2 bolts, number 8, and it'll say 35 millimeter. We'll just use 8, 9. They've got 10 up here and so forth. So should be pretty easy. 2, 3, 4, 5. Piston goes there. Cover goes like that. All right, part 1 done, easy. It says front right here, so we're gonna line this up to the front of the seat. 2 9s at the front, 2 8s at the back. Easy. Next up, flip it over. Put the arms on. 4 number 10s for the next one. Now I've got a place on the base, we're gonna put the arms on, left and right. And last but not least, the back. Last thing we're going to do is cap off the holes, these caps they gave us, and we're done. Alright, so there's a handle you can turn underneath that dictates how far and how tight this is. You got a lever on the side, sinks it down and lifts it back up. Also, you can lock it into position so it doesn't go back. And then pull it out and it doesn't go back. But there it is, pretty awesome, nice looking material, breathable for big men. Nice handles on it. There's 5. It's got 5 casters. Everything you would want in a chair. Nice executive chair. So, looking for a nice executive chair for yourself or as a gift? Check out this one by Colamy, the 5103. Check it out.